Okay, in today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can reset your GoPro Volta. Resetting it will help it fix any kind of issues or anything that you got going on with it. So it's a pretty easy fix. Okay, this is what you're going to want to do. Right there is your mode button, which is your on and off button. This is your shutter button, which is what starts and stops recording. But what you're going to want to do is push both of those in at the same time for 8 seconds. Okay, as you've seen, those lights came on and now it's blinking. And a whole row of lights came on when you held it in for 8 seconds. That should reset your Volta, so therefore you'll be able to fix any kind of issues that you might be having with it.